Editing embroidery designs. In the editing mode, you can edit and combine designs to create original embroidery designs. Press the editing key on the home window to show the editing window. Press the home key. Press the design category key. Select the desired design by pressing the design key. The editing window displays the design you selected. To change the size of the design, press the resize key and the resize option window opens. Press the plus or minus key to change the design size. Press the OK key. Press the jog keys to move the design in the editing window, or drag the design to the desired position. To make a copy of the design, press the duplicate key. When you need to delete the design, select the design and press the delete key. Press the next set key to switch the editing tools. Press the rotate key to open the rotation option window. Press the rotate keys to rotate the design clockwise or counterclockwise. Press the OK key. To flip the design, press the horizontal or vertical mirror image key. Press the home key. Press the monogram key. Select the font. Press the letter or number key to enter the desired character. Press the letter case key when entering a lowercase letter. Press the OK key. Move the entered characters under the selected design. You can make a monogram in an upper or lower arc. Press the R key. Press the lower R key to make a lower arc. Press the enlarge key to make the arc longer. Press the OK key. You can simulate the colors of the threads and actual fabric on the screen. Press the custom color key. Select the desired color for the lettering. Press the OK key. Press the OK key. Press the OK key and the carriage moves to starting position. A message will appear to confirm the size of the embroidery hoop. Press the OK key. Confirm the thread tension and press the X key.